morning, everybody. Taking 3 people for a walk at Destruction Brook Woods. Taking you all along. It's nice and early. It's clear. It's about 57 degrees. Nice day. This place is a beautiful place. We walk here regularly all the time. Beautiful, tall ferns over here. Gorgeous ferns. Probably about 10 years ago. What you're looking at right now is all woods, and we had a bad storm came through, and I don't know if it was a wind shear or whatever came through here, but it just flattened this little section of woods here. You can't even tell it was woods anymore. Everything's rotted. But yeah, used to be thick woods on that side, just like on this side. Interesting. Nature changes things. Purple flowers. Beautiful little purple flowers. Soupy's sniffing and peeing and marking her territory. Wants everybody to know that Soupy's been here. She's the rule of the roost. She's found something interesting on that leaf, though. Who knows? You gotta watch her close, though, because she could be after rabbit poop or deer poop. She loves both. So when she's sniffing around, you have to watch her close. Next thing you know, she'll be eating something. Kind of gross, especially later when she'll want to look daddy in the face. You think, ew, but I let her kiss me anyways. That's okay. We love Sweet Pea. There's a few mosquitoes out here, but it's not too bad. I haven't gotten bit yet. This is a little bridge that they built to cross Destruction Brook. This used to be the site of a mill. Stay. Sit. Sit. Sweepy, sit. Good girl. Destruction Brook. Herring used to come in here, and they used to get herring, and it also had a mill. We're going to come across the mill pond a little bit down the road here. We'll show you all where the mill used to be. When we take a left here, we walk on, you can hear the brook. It's all over here on the left. You can, we're actually walking along the whole brook here. We'll end up coming to the mill pond down here pretty soon. Sweet Pea, she used to walk every single day of her life. And as she's gotten older, she's 12 now, she decides whether or not she wants to walk. So she usually, we try to walk her regularly, but she decides once we get here, whether or not she wants to. And more times than not, she'll walk a short distance and stop and give us that little look. And I'll ask her, do you want to go back to the car? And she'll turn around and practically run back to the car. So we do try most of the time, though, to give her a walk. Susie used to walk a lot more, but her knee has been bothering her lately, so she hasn't been able to take her as much as she used to. And I think that's okay with Sweet Pea. But she's ready for her walk today. We went to the zoo yesterday. Me and Sue did to do some filming for you folks at Southwick Zoo. It'll be in a video coming up pretty soon. It's a nice place, but Sweet Pea stayed home all day and slept, so she's got some energy this morning. She's got a bounce in her step. She's ready to wear some energy down. She's a crazy little girl, that's for sure. Sweet Pea, Sweet Pea. We've been on our YouTube channel now, I think it's 4.5 months, and we've probably gotten more comments on Sweet Pea than anything. People just love her. She's very cute. Another sniff and pee. Mark my territory, Sweet Pea says. I'm gonna mark my territory. She wants all the dogs to know she's the big dog. Right now she's got that rabbit poop. Come on. Yeah, no rabbit poop. Get going. Yeah, I can tell. I've had this dog for a long time. She gets a certain stance when she finds food. So the vet said it's okay for her to eat rabbit poop, but it's not okay with me for her to eat rabbit poop. Oh my God. Can't be healthy. The vet says it's okay, but it can't be healthy. Beautiful lady slipper. I'll show you all. They were once on the endangered species list. Almost extinct. They were considered extinct, I think, at one point, pretty much anyways. Nobody could find one. And they made a comeback, at least here in Destruction Brook Woods. There's a lot of them. And they're beautiful. They come up in the spring and they flower, and the flowers hang in there for quite a while too. And they generally have to grow under pine trees because I guess the acidity level of the soil under pine trees is just right, and the nutrients under the pine trees is just right for that particular flower. The lady slippers are back, but unfortunately we have I believe a Japanese boring beetle, they call it, which is an invasive species, which is wiping a lot of our pine trees out. They're worried that eventually it will wipe them all out. And I suppose that would be the end of the lady slippers. I don't know for a fact that, but from what I've researched, no pine trees, no lady slippers. Here's some more of them beautiful tall ferns though. Aren't they just beautiful? Wow. Sue and I noticed these beautiful little puff balls that were on branches last year, and we couldn't figure out what they were, but they're actually insects. Look at this. It's an insect place, nest, whatever you want to call it. And insects will eventually hatch and come out of that. Isn't that a beautiful little thing? It's very tiny. This particular tree has 2 of them. But I find nature amazing. And sometimes beautiful too. Okay, I'm starting to hear the waterfall. Where the wheel used to be for the Russell's Mills. The stonework is still there. And where the wheel used to be pushed to power the mill, that opening is still there, and there's a nice waterfall. I'm going to show you all. As you know, we love waterfalls, me and Sue. Sue would probably be with us today, but A, her knee is not doing so well after the long walk at the zoo yesterday, and B, she has to go to work, unfortunately, for a while. She'll be back in a couple hours, though. Yeah, work on Memorial Day. Yes, yes. And this is Memorial Day, by the way, so it may be a little late by the time this video comes out, but I want to wish all of our lost folks in the service. We wish all of their family the best, and our prayers are with them all, because we know that you never, ever, ever get over losing a loved one in the military. These men are very, very brave, and if it wasn't for them, we wouldn't have the country we're in. And here's the mill pond. There's some fish jumping out there. I just saw a fish jump. I've often thought about bringing my my pocket fisherman. And we're walking on the dike right now that created the mill pond to power the mill in here. Do a little mountain climbing here. Oh, we got a bunch of lady slippers right under a pine tree. CP, sit. Sit. We want to show people the lady slippers. Sit. Good girl. You wait now. We're going to show people the lady slippers, okay? Okay. Yeah, good girl. You wait to show the people the lady slippers, didn't you? It's very sweet. pine grove. It's all pine trees around us. When we first started walking here years ago, they were very healthy, but not so much. They're struggling. Japanese boring beetle. You can see everywhere there's dying pine trees. See? Over here. As far as you can see, there's laying down dead pine trees, so they die, and then the wind knocks them over like nothing because they're brittle, or snow will collect on them and knock them over. And yeah, it's a shame. Dead pine trees. Looks like pickup sticks. Good girl. Let me check for some ticks. It's the time of year for deer ticks. That little speck, that could be a deer tick, and you really gotta look close. And we've been lucky because all the years we've walked, there's only been, in comparison to the years we've walked, there's been very few ticks she's ever gotten in her, because we usually find them. Not very thick fur, so we take this and bring them up like this and you can see them. Of course, we check their paws in between her toes. See if you heard something in the woods. Could have been a deer, I guess. I heard it too. Let me flip her over. Let me check her paws. I think she's tick-free. I don't see none on that pretty face. And of course, the next thing Sweetie wants is her snacks. always gets 3 snacks after her walk, and she knows it. She's probably ready to go to sleep now, but when we get in the car, you'll see she's eagerly awaiting her snacks. She was such a good girl, so we always give her snacks after a walk for being a good girl. Not eating any rabbit food, not causing any kind of mayhem either. Say hi, Sweet Pea. You watch. Watch how much she loves her snacks. We give her 3. She gets 3 snacks. Crazy little girl. And I count 1. Yeah, I get drool on my thumbs. Yeah, 2 and 3. And just for the YouTubers out there, here's one from you guys. 4. Say thank you. Everybody loves Sweet Pea. All our YouTube friends say hi to Sweet Pea. We love Sweet Pea. Okay, Sweet Pea, push back. Push back. Back. There we go. And that, folks, is a regular walk with Sweet Pea in the New England woods. I hope you enjoyed it. Got to see Destruction Brook. And if you liked the video, hit the like button. Check us out and subscribe, and we will consider you part of our YouTube family, and we will send you a notification when we put up new videos. And comment. We'd love to hear from you guys. We love talking to you guys. We love hearing your opinions, your thoughts, the good, the bad. It's fine. And on that note, we are going to call it a morning. And thank you very much for watching. See you guys.